Hi, my name is Angie Heredia.
Hi, my name is Santiago Chaparro. Where would you live if you could live anywhere in the world?
If I could live anywhere, I would choose Kyoto because I believe its temples and gardens will bring my peace. If you went to a desert island, what three books or films will you take with you?
If I were on the Sorry Island, I'd bring life of Pin, the Lord of the Rhine, and Amelia, since I was their stories world kept my interest. What would you do if your friends invited for your dinner and server something you had?
If my friend served me something I hate, I'd politely stay, taste and bit and say thank you. It was interesting to avoid awareness. Where would you go on a holiday if you could go anywhere?
If I could holidays anywhere, I'd visit New Zealand because in my business last campaigns will make every date unforgettable. Uh, what would you do if you saw your friend shoplifting?
If I saw my friend shoplifting, I pulled them aside and say I am worried about the outcome. Signs, if believe honestly, is vital. If you could travel in time, would you go to the past or the future?
If I could time travel, I'd go to the future to the which business and new technologies has support that will spark more ideas for me.
Okay.
What superpower would you like to have if you could choose it?
If I could choose a superpower, I'd pick telepathy because I believe it would help me understand other better. If you found Aladdin's lamp, what would be your three wishes?
If I found the lamps, I'd wish for clean water, worsted, worsted, uh, fluent in every language, and created, in my opinion, true gifts. Um, if you called me something famous, what would you meet?
If I could meet someone famous, I talk on Malala Yousafzai signs. I believe her courage offers invaluable lessons. What would be the first thing to buy if you won the lottery?
If I won the lottery, I'd buy sunset home for my family because I suppose that will help use lasting happiness.
Okay, bye.
Bye.